Hi everyone, so for today's video, it's another vlog, but I decided to film this intro because the vlog you'll be seeing today was filmed at around April or May. I was planning to do what I bake in a week, and I didn't have time to continue the video. But for the first part of this video, you'll be seeing a haul of the baking materials I got, and then the next part will be the things I baked. And then I think after, it's just random days in April or May. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and just keep on watching. Okay, I recently got a package of baking materials and I opened the box already. But I just wanted to show you what I'm gonna use for later because I'm planning to bake some cookies. So first item I got is this one. This is called their wire cooling and baking rack. So this is stainless steel, and by the way, I got this from the brand called Taste. I'm gonna link everything down below, and they look so high quality. I'm excited to use them later. A flour sifter. It just looks like this one, and then that. I also got this one. This is called their silicone baking mat set. I think this has 3 mats inside, and I got the aqua sky color. So it looks like this, and 3 mats. It comes in different sizes. Looks like this one. I feel like you use this for macarons or macarons. So same yung sizes nila. Ayan. I am excited to use this for later so that the cookies will be the same sizes when I make them. I also got 2 of these. I think these come in a set as well. So this is called their heat resistant silicone spatula. So it comes in a set where you get a large one and then a small one. And I also got the color aqua sky to match my baking mats. This is the last thing I got. This is called their Taste measuring cup and spoon set. If you've watched my old baking videos, I used to have like the plastic one. I still have it, but my problem with that is that the text where you see how many cups it is always rubs off. This one, the size of the cup is already engraved, so it won't disappear. And also, I have more cups now. I think the last time I only had 4 cups and 4 spoons. For this set, I get 7 cups and then 5 spoons. So it's like a 12-piece set, I think. And also, it has different colors, but you can get like 1 color. Yeah, I think you can do that. But I got the assorted or like multicolored one. So it looks colorful, and I'm excited to use this. I feel like this is gonna last me a long time. Okay, so I've been baking cookies since yesterday. I made another batch this morning. So I made like a bigger batch of cookies and put Nutella inside. Hopefully it's good, but yeah, parating naubos yung cookies, so I had to make more because they're asking for more. And it's so much easier to make cookies now since I have the baking mat. I never knew I needed it until now. Super love the materials I have. I have a cookie here, and Let me show you how it looks like inside. It's not as satisfying as I hoped, but you can see there's a lot of chocolate inside. Okay, I'm gonna do a taste test and then later we'll see what we're gonna bake. This is a different batter from the first one I made, and this is less sweet, which I like. It's so chewy. Oh my god. I'm so sorry if I look like a mess right now. I was cleaning the kitchen right after I baked the brownies. But anyway, I love these brownies. It's the first time I used chocolate for the brownies. Usually I just use cocoa powder. But this one is so good. It's so fudgy. And then medyo crunchy yung top niya. I kind of messed it up, so it's a bit too sweet for me. Because in the recipe it says half cup melted chocolate and half cup is chocolate chunks. I forgot to only melt the other half. I ended up melting a whole cup. So it's a bit too fudgy and too sweet, but everyone says they like it. So I don't think this is a fail. Okay, so I think I want to bake something again today. Either bread pudding or egg pie. I'm leaning towards egg pudding. Or no, what? I just combined the two. I'm leaning towards bread pudding because it's easier and faster. Because if I make egg pie, it might take till tomorrow. Because I have to make the crust, wait for it to harden a bit in the fridge, and just all that stuff. And I don't know if I have ingredients for that. So maybe I'll make bread pudding because it's faster. I have all the ingredients, I think. Hopefully. Oh my gosh, I need to check. And if you want me to do a part 2, you can comment down below if you want that, and give me 3 more things that I can bake. I really want to make cupcakes because I used to make that, but I don't have a cupcake tray to bake on anymore. Maybe I'll buy. I don't know. Basta, just comment down below any of your suggestions, or just let me know if you like this kind of video. It's been a while since I posted something like this, so I'm not sure if this is gonna do well or if people are gonna enjoy this. So yeah, let's bake.